This bird builds its entire home using spit, and its nest was once prized by royalty.
But how?
Most birds build their homes with twigs, leaves, and grass. But this bird does something completely different. As nesting season begins, special glands in its mouth start producing thick, sticky saliva. It releases the saliva in thin strands, attaching them to the walls, layer after layer, as it slowly dries and hardens. But why did it become such a luxury? Many of these nests are hidden high inside dark caves, which means people climb dangerous heights just to collect them, making them incredibly expensive. And the bird behind all of this is called the swiftlet.